Wow, the joy of a gardener is during harvesting time. Come, follow us. Let's check out what Mr. Eugene harvested in July. Hello, fans. Welcome to Susie Farms. Here we focus on agriculture, animal husbandry, aquaculture, and agribusiness, where we bring research to practice. Our products are purely organic, from the farm to the table, so we can eat healthy food. If you are new here, like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit on the notification bell. Permit us to serve you with some cola nut and palm wine so you can relax while watching. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
Yeah, today is July 29, 2022. I've often said the happiest moment in a farmer's life is to see his crops grow, produce fruits, and then harvesting time is the happiest time. So here I am in my Man Organic Farm in Lincoln, Nebraska. Today is harvesting day for cucumbers. So I'm moving around my trellis and I'm going to harvest some cucumbers bound for the market. Yeah, the farmers market of tomorrow. We'll have some cucumbers and there'll be some happy buyers who eat some of this fresh and healthy 100% organic grown cucumbers. So once more, I'm a happy man doing my harvesting of these healthy cucumbers. And here I am with the final product. You see a tote full of very big, fat, healthy cucumbers. And here in this other tote, the medium size, petite fruits. Thank you for watching and happy eating.
Yes, fans, you heard him loud and clear. The joy of a farmer is during harvesting. When we plant crops and the crops grow very well, after putting in all the effort in planting, weeding, making sure that the animals and pests don't attack it and taking care. And at sometimes we do also have kids visiting because they love gardening too, and we take them into our garden to see how it is so that they can also learn from seeing it. And when the crops are ready, at this point, you see the crops that are ready for harvest, and all the pain in cultivating and weeding just dies out. Look at the tomato, very fresh. And most often, we always invite children to come to the farm, go around and pick up the fruit because they love doing it. They just love harvesting. And when we harvest things like vegetables, fresh one, we take it directly to our kitchen and make sure that we slice them or bundle them for sales, or we just stir fry and eat.
The joy of being a farmer. Yes, the best time is harvesting time. Yeah, I'm at the Man Organic Farm in Nebraska. Yeah, some of my collard greens that I've harvested this morning. I'm still to harvest more. I just wanted to send you this short video as a teaser, what we call a petit.
There is joy in growing your own food. After harvesting, you take it directly to the kitchen, slice it and process it. Let's see how Mr. Eugene actually does it.
And these are products from the Man Organic Farm here in Lincoln, Nebraska. To my right, is what we call greens, amaranth or amaranthus. And to my left is collard greens, the sister plant to cabbage. And here is some sliced greens or amaranthus. So, as I said earlier today, the job of a farmer is during the harvest period. So from the farms or from the farm to the kitchen, this is the preparatory work, the slicing, the washing in warm water, the squeezing, and eventually the frying of the vegetable stew and the eating. This will go with some fried plantains or some fried sweet potatoes or some boiled rice, whatever combination of carbohydrates you prefer. So once more, I'm a happy farmer because I've harvested 100% organic vegetables from our farm. I'm in the process of preparing them to be eaten with my family. Thank you.
Yes, just see how green, organic, fresh the vegetables were. If you have organic vegetables like this, it's like you have your own life in your own hands, knowing where your food is coming from, so you can stay away from residues, from chemicals that are used always to fertilize and use always to spray food. So let's start planting. Check again to see how he does it.
I've often said the happiest moment in a farmer's life is to see his crops grow, produce fruits, and then harvesting time is the happiest time. So here I am in my Man organic farm in Lincoln, Nebraska. Today is harvesting day for cucumbers. So I'm moving around my trellis and I'm going to harvest some cucumbers bound for the market. Yeah, the farmers market of tomorrow will have some cucumbers and there'll be some happy buyers who eat some of this fresh and healthy 100% organic grown cucumbers. So once more, I'm a happy man doing my harvesting of these healthy cucumbers. And here I am with a final product. You see a tote full of very big, fat, healthy cucumbers. And here in this other tote, the medium size, petite fruits. Thank you for watching and happy eating.
Hello guys, this is the joy of being a gardener. You have the chance to grow your own food that are free from chemicals, free from bad residue that will cause illness. And most often children will always visit you because they love harvesting with you. And it is fun for them just harvesting, you know. There's really joy in farming, especially when you see your crops are ready for harvesting. Look at the pepper, so fresh, you know. So actually, for this planting season, Mr. Eugene actually harvested collard greens, some green peppers, cucumbers, and watermelon. So there is real joy in gardening. Healthy plants, healthy people, healthy planet. Thank you for watching.